friends, this is Hasni. Today we are going to discuss about Java data types. The Java programming language is statistically typed, which means that all variables must first be declared before they can be used. See the below example. Int input equal to 1. Int, it is a data type. Input, it is a variable name. 1, it is a value. Java is a strongly typed language. It means once we declare a type to one variable, we can't change the type to that variable. We can change the value. See the below example. Data equal to 12. We can change value like this. Int data equal to 22. This will give a compilation error. Type of data types. Primitive data type, non-primitive data type. These are the two types of data types. First one is primitive data type. A primitive data type is predefined by the language and these are named by a reserved keyword. In primitive data types, classified into four groups. These are the four groups, or a total of 8 types. Primitive data types under integers, floating point, character, boolean. Integers will present whole numbers. Under integers, byte, short, int, long. Byte, its sizes are 1 byte, it is equal to 8 bits. This data type has 8 bit storage. We can store the numbers in between minus 128 to plus 127 like this. Byte size 1 byte, it is equal to 8 bits. Maximum value plus 127, minimum 128 minus 128. Its range is minus 128 to 127. Short, its size is 2 bytes, it is equal to 16 bits. This data type has 2 bytes of storage. We can store the numbers in between minus 327682 plus 32767. We can assign a value minimum minus 32768 and maximum value is 32767. Int, this data type has 4 bytes. It is equal to 32 bit storage. We can store the numbers in between minus 2147483648 plus 2147483647. Long, this data type has 8 bytes of storage. It is equal to 64 bits. We can store the number in between 922372036854808 775808 like that. Floating point and its sizes. Float, to represent real numbers. Float. This data type has 4 bytes. It is equal to 32 bits. Double. This data type has 8 bytes. It is equal to 64 bits. Character and its sizes. Char. 2 bytes are 16 bits. Char to represent character. Boolean and its size. Boolean 1 bit to represent logical values. It represents the logical values. Except Boolean and char, all remaining data types are considered as signed data types because we can represent both positive and negative numbers. Next, non-primitive data types. These are predefined classes and user-defined classes. Predefined classes and user-defined classes. Predefined classes are like string, object, thread, etc. User-defined classes are we can create like student, employee, manager, etc. These non-primitive data type might contain primitive types like public class student, int roll number, char section, like this. Thank you. Please subscribe RS Tech Views, like, share and press the bell icon.